Good morning, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We wish to acknowledge and respect the Tongan-speaking peoples on whose traditional territory we stand, and the Songhees, Esquimalt, and Wasanich peoples, whose historical relationships with the land where we live, work, play, and learn continue to this day. Now cover your ears, because it's time for...
Okay, so big thank you to kindergarten. By the way, how did you get those hearts flying in the air? That was fantastic. Were you throwing them up in the air? No? Wow, that's amazing. I didn't know how to do that. So we have an announcement from the library squad. Library squad, do you want to come up here?
Hi, we are the Library Squad. Did you know that if you read 1,000 books by age 5, it will help you as a reader? We are having a book drive to help support
an organization called 1,000 by 5. What is 1,000 by 5? It is an organization
that collects books for kids under the age of 5. 1,000 by 5 needs board books and picture books.
It reconditions the books
and then gives them to kids that don't have books. Before the holidays, Library Squad will be collecting the books in
the 1,000 by 5
pink bin. So please donate a board book or picture book that you have outgrown.
We will get them to 1,000 by 5. Thanks for the Library Squad.
Yay!
I'm not exactly sure if you heard that, did you? So who can tell me one thing they heard from there? Yes? Sophie?
Well,
Nice and loud.
we're doing, we're collecting picture books and board books.
Excellent. Can somebody else tell me something? Jessica?
Can you read 1,000 books by 5? I can do something, I don't know.
Okay, so maybe it's just me and I'm getting older. I can't hear that. But did you everybody hear those things? Or do we need these girls to tell you about it a little bit more? You heard. Perfect. So, 1,000, what is it, girls? 1,000?
1,000 by 5.
By 5. And so we're doing a book collection, and I believe this is the container that the books are going to be collected. Where is it?
It's near Mrs. McLeod's office.
Mrs. McLeod's office.
Some of the posters you're going to see around the school, they're for the 1,000 by 5.
Perfect. have a round of applause. And we have another announcement called the Round Square, and it's concerning some board games. Well, sorry, some games, I should say.
Hi, I'm Amy. And I'm Cameron, and we're from Round Square. We are here today to talk about the new outdoor games. We have just got some new outdoor games including Giant Connect 4, Giant Jacks, and some very nice skipping ropes and balls. These games are a big, fun, new thing for our school, and we've been working to get them for a long time, so let's treat them with respect. To keep these games outside for you to use, you have to make sure you don't use them in ways you're not supposed to, don't drop them or do things to them on purpose that could break them, and always put them back once you're finished using them. Also, we want everyone to have fun with these games, so make sure you include everyone, let everyone have a turn, and don't use the games for too long. But above all, have fun with these games and feel free to use them whenever you want. We will put the Giant Connect 4 at the back of the school near the grade 4 doors, and we will put the black box with the giant jacks, skipping ropes and balls in it at the side of the school near the basketball area. There will also be instructions on how to play the games at those places. Any questions?
Where did you get the Connect 4?
This is Gioni Gorgeous. We have one more question. Lauren.
How big will the balls be? Will it be like exercise balls or something like that, or just normal balls?
Just normal playground balls.
Playground balls. Okay, big round of applause for the Round Square. And we have one more announcement. Sorry, can you continue the theme of announcements today? Mr. Gargo. The food drive. Wow, what a success. I mean, wow, that was fantastic. So we did have sort of a winner, but I said to say, you know what? Actually, somebody suggested this to me. I thought, what a great idea. We can't just choose one because look at the amount of food that has been collected by each of the houses. And as far as I'm concerned, Selena Doroya, who actually initiated this through her project at the middle school for the second year, she was just amazed. She was blown away by it. And so I said, listen, we can't do this, Selena. We can't say that one house is better. So, you're all going to get a dress down day. And so, that day, I believe we say, I was confused this morning, but I think it was Monday, December the 13th. So not this coming Monday. We're going to take away number one dress. How exciting is that? I don't know.
Thank you. We invite the guests to please exit first and sign out at the office. Have a fantastic weekend.